Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to remove audio in Picsart. To remove an audio from Picsart, first of all, open up the Picsart application and then from the home page, tap the plus button at the bottom. Go to the top of the screen and tap video option and select the video from your device's camera roll from where you want to remove the audio from. After selecting the video, tap on the arrow at the bottom right and this will take you to the editing section. Now, your video layer will be appearing on the canvas. Go ahead and select your video and this will highlight the video layer. Now, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on volume. Click on volume option again and make sure that the bar is dragged all the way towards the left and the volume is 0. Once you do that, the audio will be removed from the video. Go to the play button at the top and play the video and you will not hear any volume that is on your selected clip. That way, you can easily mute the volume on a video using Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.